Bill Morgan and his gal. A man named William Morgan took his girl to see a play. On the journey homeward, they stopped into a cafe. As soon as they got seated, Liza grabbed the bill of fare. She called to the waiter, ordered everything was there. Bill said, I know you're hungry, girl, but I don't want to squeal. Who do you suppose is gonna pay for such a meal? You may have known me pretty long, sure have got my initials wrong. My name is Morgan, but it ain't JP. My name is Morgan, but it ain't JP. There is no bank on Wall Street that belongs to me. You may have known me pretty long, sure got my initials wrong. My name, it's Morgan, it ain't JP.